and I'm sure you understood and you have a full knowledge of how to add and subtract.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, very good. Um, do you know the topic? That question you said that you couldn't remember. Do you know the topic?
Uh, wait, let me check my math book.
Okay, check your math book better.
Um, yeah, I think there's a few questions here that were something like on the test.
Okay.
Um, should
Is
I
this
write it in
something?
chat or should I write on the board?
Okay, let me share my whiteboard with you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Okay. You can annotate. Let's see the question.
these are just examples from my book that were kind of like it.
Okay. 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 Is that all?
Let me see if I can find some. Mm,
Okay.
oh, wait, there's one
Okay.
more.
Okay, one more. Okay.
Ma? Yes, let's go.
I like that.
Okay. So that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's start with the first one. These are questions on square root and square, right?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. And you know what a square means, right? Let's start with that.
Mm-hmm.
If you're asked to square a particular number, imagine if I ask you to square 2, the square of 2. The square of 2 actually means 2 to the
Two
power
times
of 2,
two.
right? Very good.
Yeah.
Which is 2 times 2, right?
And two. Mm-hmm.
And that will give us 4, right?
Yeah.
And now this number 4 is a perfect square, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you know what a perfect square is?
Numbers that can have two numbers. I mean, one number. Wait, like um, how do I explain
Mm-hmm.
it? A number that
Mm-hmm.
can be how do I explain it?
A
Like
number
two
that
numbers, like a number
Mhm.
can fit into it perfectly, like something like that.
A perfect square is a number that
That
has its roots to multiply itself. Okay?
yeah,
Like the
multiply
number four is
evenly.
a perfect square. So its root is what? 2. So you can see that this is 2 times 2 will give us 4. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. And since you know what a perfect square is, and I asked you to mention a perfect square ranging from 1 to 144. Do you know them? Perfect square ranging from 1 to 144.
Yes, I think
Okay,
so.
let's go. If you know it,
Um, Wait, say that again.
mention a perfect square ranging from number 1 to 144.
Perfect squares from 1 to 144.
Yes.
Uh, Wait, give me a second. Perfect squares from 1
1 to
to
144, yeah.
there's there's one like
Very
wait, how
good.
should I say it? How should I say it?
You can say it accordingly, ascending order from the smallest to the biggest in ascending order.
One
1 is a perfect square,
four
correct?
one
4, very good.
four
Sorry?
9
9, very good.
16
16, good.
25
Very good.
36
Good.
40 49 49
Very good. Correct.
64
Very good.
81 wait
Very
yeah
good.
81 100
Very good.
121
Good.
and 144.
44. Good. So I'm glad and happy you already know what perfect squares are. So
Oh.
now, this question you actually gave, you wrote on the board, shouldn't be something that is very, very scary. It's something you just need to understand. You know, this is 2 over 5. This is a fraction, right? 2 over 5 square. And you know what square is. You just told me what square is. Now, square means multiplying that number by itself, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to be 2 times 2. Are you seeing this? All
Mm-hmm.
over 5 times 5 minus the square root of 121, right?
Yeah.
Are you seeing this? Now, what is 2 times 2?
4
5 times 5.
25
Very good. Minus, what's the square root of 121?
11
11. So this is 11 all over 1. Are you seeing this?
yes wait
So you see that?
yeah
So you can either use the butterfly method as I taught you. You can either use what do you call it? Um equivalent fraction, making the denominator be the same to solve your choice. So if I'm to use the butterfly method or the LCM method, if I'm to use LCM method, I draw my line. My LCM is 25. 25 divided by 25, I'm having 1. 1 times 4 will give me 4 minus 1 divided by 25, that will give us 25. And 25 times 11 will give us what?
say again Wait,
Sorry, 25 times 11,
uh 200 and 75.
Very good. 275. Are you saying this?
Yeah.
Now, what is 4 minus 275?
271.
Minus, this will be minus a negative
Oh, yeah.
271, right?
Mm-hmm.
All over 25. So this is an improper fraction, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can either change it to decimal or change it to a mixed fraction. So if we're to change it to decimal, what will be our answer?
Wait.
This is
A mixed
obviously going
number.
to give us a negative number. So what is 271 divided by 25?
Uh, Wait, I need to write this out.
Okay.
Should I divide it?
Yeah, divide it. Tell me your answer.
Negative,
Mhm.
uh, negative 10 point,
Point. Mhm.
eight,
Eight,
eight, uh,
eight, 84,
wait,
right?
yeah, 84.
84. Very good. So these are answer negative 10.84. And this is the way we solve this particular question. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So there's nothing so hard in this. Once you find the square, you find the square root, then you apply the operation given to you, that you subtract, and you get your answer. Okay. So did
Mm-hmm.
you make this kind of attempt in the test, or you just learned the
Yeah.
question? Okay, you made this other kind of attempt. Okay. Okay. So you understand this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have you written it down?
Wait, where's my notebook?
Okay, write it down so
Oh,
that
I
I
found
can.
and
Okay.
trying to get my notebook.
Okay.
Okay, found my notebook. Okay, just give me a minute to write.
Okay. Okay. Are you true?
Almost.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay, beautiful. So let's go to the other question. And this question is as well easy. Okay. It's very, very easy. Okay, so you're having the square root of 2.89 minus 1.2. I know that the first thing that came to your mind is, how do I find the square root of a decimal number? Okay, is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, you shouldn't be afraid. When you have a decimal number, what should just come to your mind is, okay, how do I change that decimal number back to a fraction? Because you get decimal numbers from fraction. Okay, so how do I change that decimal number back to fraction? So 2.89 rather, 2.9 0.89 can be rewritten as 289 all over 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Now, if you can write it this way, then you can find the square root of 289. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
289 all over 100 minus 1.2 squared. That should not be very hard for you. 1.2 squared means 1.2 times 1.2, right? Or you can as well change it to fraction where you'll be having 12 all over 10. Are you saying this? 12 all over 10 what?
Yes, yes.
Square. So I've turned everything to fraction now to make my work easy. Okay? So
Mm-hmm.
once I've done this now, I ask myself, what is the square root of 289? Do you know the square root of 289?
Uh, uh, 289.
Sorry?
Wait, I don't know.
You don't know.
Wait, I
Okay.
can try. I can try.
Okay, try. And anytime you're trying, you always try, you always get the answer right. So try. The square root of 289. Because there are sometimes you might be asked, it's part of the topic I wanted to teach you. If you're asked to find the square root of a particular number using prime factorization method, okay? How do you go
Mm-hmm.
about it? So I'm still going to teach you how to do that, the square root of a number. Have you gotten it?
Wait.
Have you gotten it?
Uh, Wait, I'm not done yet.
Okay. I would love to know the approach you're using in getting that answer once you're
Okay.
through.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Okay.
I think so, at least. 289, right?
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay.
Uh, 17.
17. So how did you manage to get the answer? What approach did you use?
I kind of just um so I basically just multiplied 10 times 10 and then 11 times 11 and then 12
Yeah,
times 12
12
and
times
then
12.
continued until I got to that. Yeah.
Until you got it. Okay. I knew that's the approach you use. Okay. Even a more faster approach is just for you to check the last number at the back, which is 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now ask yourself, what number will I multiply that will get me a remainder of 9? Okay. So if I should check my multiplication table, I have 7 times 7, which will give me 49. So I'm obviously going to write 49 first. Okay, then take
Yeah.
4 to the other side. So that means my the square root of that particular number will be what? 17. Because if I should try 6 times 6, my remainder will be 6. 5 times 5, that will be 25, which is going to give me 5. 4 times 4, Okay. But if you don't use that method, there's another method I'm going to show you right now, which is prime factorization. Okay, because you could be asked to use prime factorization to find the square root of this particular number. So let's just do it pretty quick so that you get it. So if I use prime factorization method, you already know what are prime numbers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what are prime numbers.
The prime numbers are uh,
Uh,
a whole wait
okay.
a whole number that's greater than one and has and only has two factors of
Okay.
one and itself.
Itself. Okay. Very good. Very good. So I'm happy you know what are prime numbers. Now we're going to be using prime numbers to actually divide 289. Okay. So the first prime number we have on the list is what? Can you tell me? What's the first prime number?
Prime numbers of 289.
No, 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 no. You know,
Wait,
you told me
what?
that prime numbers are numbers that can that have
Oh,
only two factors, one and itself, right? Now, if you're
oh,
asked to
oh,
mention
okay.
the prime numbers accordingly in ascending order, what will be the first prime number?
Two or
Two,
one.
very good. No, no, one is not a prime number.
Oh yeah, it's not. Okay.
It's not a prime
Uh,
number.
and then three, wait, two, three,
Good,
five,
good,
7,
good,
11,
good,
13,
good,
17,
beautiful,
19,
good,
23,
lovely,
29,
good,
uh, uh, 30, 31,
very good, very good.
30, um, 37.
Seven, good, good. If you can get up to 50, I'm happy.
Oh, up to 50.
Yeah,
Okay.
37. Let's go.
37, 40, 41,
Very good.
40. Nothing can go into 43, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, 43.
43, very good.
Um, 47.
47, correct. So these are the prime numbers between 1 to 50. And if you know them, you're good to go when it comes to prime factorization because you'll be actually be using prime numbers to divide this particular number. So the first prime number is 2. So can 2 go in 289?
No.
No. Okay, so let's move on to the next prime number, which is what? 3.
3.
Can 3 go in 289?
I want to say yes, but I don't know.
No, 3 can go. Because actually, if 3 go in 28, we're having 9 remainder 1. Now, 3 cannot go in 19, so 3 can go. So the next prime
Okay.
number is 5, right?
Yeah.
And it's obvious that 5 can't go, right?
Yeah.
So what's the next prime number? 13, right? Rather,
Uh-huh.
7. 7.
7.
Okay.
No.
7 can go. 7 can go, right?
No.
Very good. Next prime number, 13.
Oh,
Sorry, 11.
yeah, 11.
11 can go, right?
No.
What's the next prime number?
13.
13 can go, right?
No.
The next prime number?
17.
17. So 17 can go, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 17 in 289, this will give us what? 17, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now 17 and 17, this will give us what? 1.
1.
So since we're saying we're looking for the square root of this particular number, we're meant to pair this number in twos, okay? Once we pair it in
Mm-hmm.
two, we pick only 1. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
So right now, the square root of 289 is what? 17 Watch this, 17 times 17, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to pick one. And since they are the same thing, and we're saying square root means two, we're picking one. So the square root of 289 is what? 17. And this is our answer. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So these are us using prime factorization method. I can also give you another example that involves us using that, okay, prime factorization method. But let's solve this question, then I will come back to this, okay?
Okay.
So now the square root of 289 will give us 17, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now what's the square root of 100?
10.
10, very good. Minus, what is 12 square? Remember 12 square means 12 times 12. That will give us what?
144.
Very good. All over, what is 10 square?
100.
100, very good. Now we can now actually solve this. Okay, we can solve this. So is either use the butterfly method as I taught you, or LCM, or equivalent fractions to solve it. Anyone will, once you apply it, you will still get the same answer. So let's use our LCM. Our LCM is 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how many times can we get in 100? 10,
10.
right? 10 times 17.
10
Uh,
times 17.
Very good.
Uh,
Minus 100
1,
divided by 100.
uh, what? 1.
1, very good. 1 times 144.
144.
So what is 170 minus 144? What would that give you?
Uh, wait, 170. You said 170 minus
Yes, minus
144.
144. Yeah.
36.
Sorry?
36.
36. Are you sure?
No.
So please check it very well.
Wait, what? What was the question again?
170 minus 144. So in this answer on the
Wait,
whiteboard.
oh, it's 20. Wait, it's 26.
26. That's correct, 26. So that will give us 26 all over 100. So we've gotten our answer. So it's not left for you. You can either change this to decimal back. I want to change it to decimal. What will be your answer?
Uh, 2. Wait, what? Is 26 over 100 as a decimal?
Yes. If you have to change this back to decimal number, what will be your answer?
Wait, wait, I need to do it.
Okay.
Oh, wait. That's easy. It's
If
0
mhm,
point
good.
26. Yeah.
26, good. 0.26. And this is our answer. So this work we actually did for the question is our answer is 0.26. Okay. So is it that hard? Is it hard?
No.
Okay. So I would love you to write it very fast so we can solve the last one. Okay.
Okay. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Uh, where do I start from?
Now you
Oh,
start from the question. Though I've cleaned up the question already. You can start from here. Just start from here.
okay.
Yeah, start from
2.0.
here. You write this and this. I was just trying to teach you how to use prime factorization methods to get the square roots of a particular number here,
Okay.
which I'll say expatiate more.
Okay. Let me just 2.
Are you true?
Almost.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. So let me rub this off. Now, for this last question, if I'm correct, you said square root of 64 minus 16, right?
Wait, what?
This question, the last question you wrote on the whiteboard.
It says square root of 64 minus 6 over square root of 144 plus 2.
Okay, so now that this square root is covering both numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Because right now, if you look at this question, if you were to solve it, there are different ways you can solve this, okay? Okay, but if you look at this, this will actually lead us in getting what we call sword. Have you heard the word sword before?
No.
You've not heard it before. Okay, so you can rewrite this question this way. This is square root of 64 minus 6. You've heard of rational numbers before. Rational numbers and rational numbers, you know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And root 2 is an irrational number, right?
Wait, what? Yeah.
Yeah, root 2 is an irrational number. So this can be rewritten as, are you saying this?
Mm-hmm.
You can write it this way, the square root of 64 minus the square root of 6, then you solve it, or you go directly by saying, what is 64 minus 6?
64 minus 6 is 58.
58. Okay, beautiful. So since you know that 64 minus 6 is going to give us 58, so we're going to be having the square root of what? 58. Are you seeing this?
Mm-hmm.
All over, this is the square root of 144, 144 plus 2. Now, what is 144 plus 2? That will give us what? 100 and
Uh,
what? 46.
wait, let me
Right?
see. One, wait, I can't see the question. 146.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the square root of 58 all over the square root of 146, okay? So you
Mm-hmm.
ask yourself, because the square root of 58, this is going to give us a decimal answer, okay? So it's not compulsory you write it in decimal. You can leave your answer in root form. You ask yourself, okay, the square root of 58, what times what are the numbers will I multiply to get 58? What are the factors of 58? You start asking yourself that question. We have 1 and 58, right? As a
Mm-hmm.
factor. We have 2 and what?
Wait, what? I'm confused.
Factors of 58.
Factors of 58.
Yes.
Uh,
We have 1 times 58 to be a factor. 2 is a factor.
factors.
2 times
Wait.
20, right?
1, 2, 29, and 58.
Can 3 go? Or 3 is not
No.
a factor. What about 4? 4 is not a factor. 5 is not.
Mm,
6, 7, 8, or 9, 10, 11, 12, no, 19. Is 19 a factor?
no.
19 is not a factor, right?
No.
So the factors of 58 are 1 and 58 and 2 and what? 20,
29.
29. Okay, so these are the factors of 58. But if you look at these factors of 58 now, um, we're having this is going to be written as what? Root. Let me come down here. This is going to be written as root 2. Are you seeing this? Root 2
Mm-hmm.
times root 29. I can write it this way. Okay. Now ask myself again. I come to the next one, which is 146. Okay. Ask yourself, what are the factors of 146? We have 1 times 146, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 is also a factor, right? 2 times what to give you 146?
Oh, I just
2
forgot.
times 70, 73, right?
I took a nap before this. That's why I'm tired.
You took a nap. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm kind of tired. So, uh,
2 times 73. What else? Is 3 a
two,
factor?
uh,
3 can go in 146. What
no,
about 4? Is 4 a factor?
wait, one, no,
4 can go as well. 5 can go. What about 6? 6 is a factor? No.
no,
7 can go. 8, is 8 a factor?
no,
8 and 14 will give us one remainder. 6, 8 can go. So it's 9 a factor? No.
no.
So obviously we are seeing that we don't have the factors we have here is just 1 and 146 and 2 times 73. So I'm coming here to write this is going to be root 2. Are you seeing this?
Mm-hmm.
Times root 73. So now obviously this root we cancel out this root. So we're left with root 29 all over root 73. That's our answer. Okay, that's why I wanted to be sure of the question because um I'm expecting them to give you a question that will obviously give you a squared number as his answer. But since he said this is a question, root 64 minus 6, this could be our answer. Or if the question comes in this format, this is only root 64 minus 6 all over root 144
144.
plus 2.
Two.
So if this is where the question came in, then we obviously know that root 64 will give us 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this will be 8 minus 6 all over root 144 will give us 12. And this is 12 plus 2. Now, when we do this, we'll be having 2 all over 14. And when we reduce it to its lowest term, we'll be having 1 over 7. So if the question came in this format, this will be our answer. But since it's in this format, this is our answer, root 29 all over root 73. Okay?
Okay.
So you can use your calculator to find out what root 29 is and what root 73 is and divide and get your answer in decimal. Your choice. Or you can leave it this way. Okay?
Okay.
So do you understand it?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so you can write it. So
Mm-hmm.
at least anywhere you find this question coming out in any test or exam, I'm sure you should be able to tackle it now.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the question you gave to me. And this is another format the question can come in, so you can write both of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you true?
Almost. I just have the second. I just have the other side to write.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Almost done.
Okay.
What time is class on?
Sorry?
What time is class on?
12 midnight Nigerian time, then 7 p.m. your time.
Oh.
Okay, we just have less than 6 minutes, okay? So I said I
Okay.
want to show you, let me just show you prime factorization method. Maybe in our next class on Saturday, we'll now be looking at multiplication and division of
Mm-hmm.
scientific notation, okay? Okay, so
I'm done.
okay, you're done. Okay, beautiful. So let me just clear the screen. So as I was saying earlier on, imagine if you're asked to find the square root of I know you already know the square root of let's just say let's say 256. You're asked to find the square root of 256. 256 using prime factorization method. Okay. So now we draw a line as usual. 256. Are you seeing this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so as I was saying, you start dividing using your prime numbers. What's the first prime number we have? 2. Now, can 2 go in 256? It's obvious, yes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 2 in 2 will give us what? 1. 2 in 5 will give us what? 2. Remainder 1. 2 in 16, that will give us what? 8. Now, 2 can still go. 2 in 12 will give us what? 6. 2 in 8 will give us 4. 2 can still go. 2 in 64, this is 3, and this is 2, 32. 2 can still go. 2 here will give us 1, 6. 2 can still go. 2 in 16 will give us 8. 2 in 8 will give us 4. 2 in 4, this will give us 2, and 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So you can see that we've completely divided this number using our prime numbers. Now, but this is not actually telling us what the square root is. As I said before, since we're looking for the square root, we need to group the numbers into 2. You
Mm-hmm.
can see two are the same. We're going to group it and pick 1. We put our 2 here. We're going to group this one and pick 1. Put our 2 here. We group this, pick 1. We put our 2. And we group this and pick 1. So now this ones we've picked out, we're going to multiply them. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that will give us what?
16.
16. Okay, that is correct. 16. 16. That is good. So now the square root of 256 is what? 16.
16.
Yeah. So this is the way we use prime factorization method to actually find the square root of a particular number. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me give you one question. Find the square root of 400. I would love you to annotate on the board. Find the square root of 400.
Do I have to use the same spell?
I wanted to use prime factorization method to do it
Mm-hmm.
because I know you already know the answer already, but I would love you to use prime factorization method to do it. So I'll be sure that you understood this particular method because you could be asked to use it to actually solve any question. So let's see what you can do. So maybe you can do it somewhere here. You can do it here, the square root of 400. Are you solving it in your book first?
Like you said, I have to use the same style.
I would love you to use the same style so that I'll be sure that yes, you understood what we did.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Are you solving it in your book first?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you true?
Not yet, not yet.
I just sent something to you on the chat right now, an assignment or practice question for you to just practice. Okay?
Okay.
You will see it on the chat right now. Yeah. So that's some practice. So,
Um,
okay. Are you true?
Not yet. I think I'm almost done.
Okay.
Where did I get 5 from? Wait, what?
Mm-hmm. Any problem?
Wait, I think wait, let me just try. $25 divided by 5. Uh, it would be like it would be
Okay. Annotate.
it would be
You.
my mouse is not working. 3, 2. It would be like this, right?
Okay. So
So
2
now
times 2
I
times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Okay. So what do you do next?
multiply.
No, if you multiply, you're still gonna get the same
Oh,
um answer, which is 400. Once you've divided now, you pair them, pair it and pick one, the numbers. Okay, you're putting it in index form right now.
Okay. Um,
Now, what you did is correct. Okay. What I expected you to just do now is to pair this number. Pair this, you pick one, which is two. Pair this, you pick one, which is another two. You pair this, you pick one, which is five. So right now, the square root of 452 times 2 times 5, which will give us what? 20. Are
20,
you
yeah.
seeing this? So that means the square
Oh,
root of 400 is what? 20.
yeah,
Okay?
I get it. Yeah, I get it.
So do you get it now?
Yeah.
The same way you'll be taught cube roots. You might be asked to find the cube root of a number, meaning that you're meant to multiply a particular number 3 times itself. Okay? So cube root and all that. So when it comes to square, you group them in twos. When it comes to cube root, you group them in threes. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So do you get this?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So is there any question before we call it a day?
Mm-mm.
Have you downloaded the
Wait,
work
how
I
do we
gave
do
you
that
in
now?
the chat?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, beautiful. So just practice those questions and it will make you more stronger when it comes to squares and square roots, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So as I said, keep on studying hard, keep on practicing. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to always tell us, okay? See you in the next class, okay? Hello?
Oh, hello.
Have you slept off already?
My internet is kind of bad.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
Yay,
see
I
you
get to
next
get
time.
food now.
Oh, okay, you can go now. So take care of yourself. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thanks, Uncle Chigo.
Yes,
You two should go and rest. Thank you
yes,
very
sir.
much.
Good night, sir.
Thanks, Pascal. Good night,
Pascal.
you too.
Night, sir.
Good night.